Hi everybody. Today we'll learn how to rebuild the index of your Mac operating system, which is what helps you search for files and folders on your machine. We'll do this using the non-standard method, using the Alfred software. So when I say the standard method of building the index, I'm referring to using Spotlight, wherein you go to settings and then you open Spotlight, then you go to Spotlight Privacy, and then you add and then remove that folder which you want to be indexed. That's a standard method and which is discussed in many places. So I'm not talking about that. This standard method sometimes may not work. So in that case, we may want to rebuild the Mac OS index using some other way. And what I'll use is the software Alfred. So here is the web page of this versatile software Alfred. I have this software already installed on my computer, and I start the software by pressing Command and Space because that's the shortcut I've set. So I press Command and Shift. This software opens Alfred, this box, right? So here you write preferences. This takes you to Alfred preferences. Okay, so you start with you go to features, then you go to default results, and this is where you add the folders which you want to be indexed using this plus sign. Once you have done that, then you go to advanced, then you go to rebuild Mac OS metadata, right? And the first option, there are two ways to do it. You can either choose this first option or the second one. The one that works for me the best is the second one, delete dot spotlight v100 folder. You click on it and then you proceed with the steps that are presented to you. I won't click on it because I don't want to re-index my Mac. It's already indexed, it's working just fine. But if you want to, you can click on it and rebuild your Mac OS index. Now, in case these options are not available to you, like if in Alfred preferences you don't find in features, if you don't find this, or if when you go to advanced, you can't find these options, rebuild Mac OS metadata, maybe you need to purchase a power pack, the power pack features of Alfred, but I'm not so sure. Maybe these are available even for the free basic version of Alfred. So yeah, that is how you can rebuild the Mac OS index if the standard methods of indexing do not work do not work for you. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.